fresh off a powertrain transplant for model year 2017 that substantially boosted performance. The rockin Toyota Sienna family van enters the 2018 model year with a freshened face, quieter cabin, new Entune multimedia systems and, most importantly, standard Toyota Safety Sense P (TSS-P). TSS-P is a comprehensive upgrade that equips the Sienna with pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, PCS with PD, lane departure alert with steering assist, LDA with SA, automatic high beams, AHB, and dynamic radar cruise control, DRCC. Standard TSS-P makes Sienna the only minivan in its segment to have active braking standard across all grades. A larger lower grille and larger fog light compartments, plus sculpted lower rocker panels from the Shay, give Sienna a road-hungry look across all grades. And why not for a family van? The Sienna is a powerful cruiser with the D4S direct injection V6 engine and direct shift 8/8 automatic transmission it received for 2017. For 2018, it's a quieter cruiser, too, on certain grades thanks to a new acoustic windshield, Shaoli, and laminated front row side window glass, limited only. The Sienna driver is better informed for 2018 with a 4.2-inch TFT multi-information display and, exclusively for the limited premium grade, a new available bird's eye view monitor. This practical machine offers 3 sophisticated new colors for 2018. Toasted walnut pearl, Illumina jade metallic, and Parisian night pearl. The Sienna is also a more connected cruiser with upgraded Entune multimedia systems for 2018 plus 5 USB ports covering all 3 rows. The L grade gets Toyota Entune 3.0 with connected navigation, Scout GPS link with moving maps,